good to be back because, well, if we didn't come back, I would have got welded for 3 months, 2 months, whatever it was. It's safe. All the walk in, wash our hands, walk out, wash our hands, and you definitely follow directions on the tape lines. 6 feet apart. You're already 6 feet apart in your booth, so that part hasn't changed. It's just when you come out of the booth is when it's changed, where you have to keep the 6 feet.
It's not too bad, you know, pretty much the same, just we're not so close to each other. Trying to get a lot more work done now, we can't really talk to each other. The online portion was pretty much, it was a lot better actually, I think, with that. We got a lot more done, but the practical part was hard because 2 months and then come back.
It's huge. I'm very thankful for it. You guys did a wonderful job. Because they don't need to know if you can read a book, they want to know if you can actually weld.